Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from the Strat Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let me, guys, give you a quick room tour of room number 8118. And just to let you guys know, usually I take the video right after we check in, so everything is untouched. In this case, today, I wasn't able to do it. So this room has been altered. As you can see here, there's some K-cups missing. But I tried my best to put things back into place and make it look nice and clean. That's our view. There's one small window. But I can assure you the room was very clean and tidy and basically almost perfect when we got here. So as I said, this is the Strat in Vegas, 8118. We're on the same floor where the pool is, which is great. So the soundproofing here, I have to warn you guys, is not the greatest in between rooms. We were able to hear a bunch of interesting things last night. There's a small mini fridge here. Let's have a look. Better than nothing. Closet. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. There's a sliding door, which is nice. Those are my toiletries. They're not supposed to be there. So as I said, this is not the way we found it. It's not clean, but I'm trying my best here to show you guys the room as clean as possible. The shower is very nice, but another thing to note is the water pressure is very weak. I'm not impressed with the soundproofing in between the rooms, and I'm not impressed with the water pressure. Okay. Other than that, I would say it's a great hotel. I really like the pool. The pool is probably my favorite part. It's good value, but we try to check out late, and they try to ding us with a fee of $75 or more, which is ridiculous. So it is a bit of a tourist trap, and we're not even on the strip. So there's a few things to consider if you're thinking about booking the Strat Hotel. Would I stay here again? Probably. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have stayed at the Strat before, if you have any tips or secrets, any hacks, travel hacks for Vegas. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.